The world works because the frontline works. They rise before the sun and work long after it sets. They are the hands that build, the strength that keeps our cities running. They are the heartbeat of our economy, yet they remain the unsung heroes of our nation. Malls open, factories hum, and buildings stand tall because of them. Every service we rely on exists because of their dedication and sacrifice. But how often do we acknowledge them? How often do we recognize the managers and supervisors who keep everything running? Today, we salute them. Their resilience and commitment keep the world in motion. To every worker, manager, and leader, you are the foundation of our world. And for that, we are forever grateful.